Here's how to upgrade SONiC in an MCLAG environment using an FTP server. You'll need access to an FTP server and the SONiC image. Download the image from your Dell My account. For more information, see KB article 180674. This is not a comprehensive guide. Before attempting an upgrade, please read the SONiC installation and upgrade guide carefully. In particular, check the Configuration Migration Support section to confirm upgrade compatibility. Before upgrading SONiC, first upgrade the ONI software, then the networking firmware. These are available on dell.com/support. Please remember there is always a risk of traffic loss during an upgrade. We recommend scheduling a maintenance window to do this. Connect to each peer using a terminal emulator. Here we're using PuTTY. Once connected, run SONiC-CLI to enter the management framework CLI. Before proceeding, save and back up your switch configurations. On each peer, run write memory to save the running configuration to the startup configuration. Then use the copy startup-configuration command to back up the config to your FTP server. Optionally, as an extra precaution, run show running-configuration pipe no-more. Copy the output and paste it into a text file on your workstation. Use the copy command to transfer your image to each switch. Then image install to begin the installation. Run show image status to check the progress. It usually only takes a minute or two to complete. Upgrade the standby peer first to minimize traffic disruption. Run show MCLAG brief to see which peer is standby. Here, at the moment, it's S5248F-2. Also confirm both session status and peer link status are up. On the standby peer only, run show image list to check that next displays the correct image. Then run reboot to reboot the switch. When the reboot is complete and system is ready is displayed, log back into the switch and run SONiC-CLI. Run show MCLAG brief and again confirm both session status and peer link status are up. Then show version to confirm the OS version is correct. Now repeat the same steps on your other peer. Run show image list to check that next displays the correct image. Run show MCLAG brief and confirm both session status and peer link status are up. If they are, run reboot to reboot the switch. When complete, log back in and run SONiC-CLI. Again, run show MCLAG brief and confirm both session status and peer link status are up. Then show version to confirm the OS version is correct. The OS upgrade is now complete. If you made any other changes, remember to save your configuration with write memory before quitting. Thanks for watching.